Chapter 1, Introduction. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is something that many of you have requested and we are excited to share it with you. We all have been through those long study sessions and struggled to find the most effective techniques to retain information. In this video, we will reveal the truth about studying techniques and help you understand what works and what doesn't. So grab your notebook and pen as we dive into the world of studying techniques. Chapter 2, The Myth of Multitasking. One of the most common mistakes students make while studying is trying to multitask. It is a common belief that juggling between different tasks can increase productivity. However, research has shown that multitasking leads to poor focus and retention of information. Our brain is not wired to handle multiple tasks at once. Therefore, it is essential to eliminate all distractions and focus on one task at a time. Chapter 3, The Power of Active Learning. Passive learning is a common practice where students passively read or listen to information without engaging with it. This method might seem efficient as it requires minimal effort, but it has a low retention rate. On the other hand, active learning involves actively engaging with the material. For example, by taking notes, creating study guides, and asking questions. This technique not only helps in better understanding and retention of information, but also boosts critical thinking skills. Chapter 4, Find Your Learning Style. Everyone has a different learning style, and it is crucial to identify yours to study effectively. Some people are visual learners, while others prefer auditory or kinesthetic learning. Visual learners learn better through images and diagrams, auditory learners through listening, and kinesthetic learners through hands-on activities. Experiment with different learning styles to find the one that suits you the best. Chapter 5, Spaced Repetition Technique. Cramming all the information in one night might seem like a good idea, but it is not an effective studying technique. The spaced repetition technique involves breaking down the study material into smaller chunks and revisiting them at regular intervals. This technique helps in better retention of information by allowing the brain to process the material gradually. Chapter 6, The Importance of Mind Mapping. Have you ever considered using mind maps while studying? Mind mapping is a visual technique that helps in organizing information in a hierarchical pattern. It is an effective way to connect different ideas and concepts. Mind maps also stimulate the brain, making it easier to remember the information. So the next time you have a big pile of notes to study, try creating a mind map and see the difference. Chapter 7, Take Breaks. Studying for long hours without taking breaks can do more harm than good. Our brain needs time to rest and recharge to function effectively. Taking short breaks between study sessions can improve focus and productivity. Also, make sure to take longer breaks after every few hours to give your brain a chance to relax. Chapter 8, Practice, Practice, Practice. It is not enough to understand the concepts. You also need to practice them to retain the information. Practice questions, past exams, and quizzes are a great way to test your understanding and identify any knowledge gaps. It also helps in building confidence and reduces exam anxiety. Chapter 9, The Importance of a Good Study Environment. The environment in which you study plays a significant role in your focus and productivity. Make sure to find a quiet and well-lit space to study without any distractions. Also, keep your study space clean and organized to avoid any mental clutter. Additionally, surround yourself with study aids like sticky notes, flashcards, and highlighters to help you stay focused. Chapter 10, Get Enough Sleep. Last but not least, make sure to get enough rest and sleep. Many students sacrifice their sleep for studying, but it only leads to fatigue and a lack of concentration. Our brain needs at least 7-8 hours of rest, especially during exam season, to function at its best. So make sleep a priority. Conclusion. We hope this video helped you understand the truth about studying techniques and gave you some valuable tips to improve your studying process. Remember, not all techniques work for everyone, so make sure to experiment and find what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. See you in the next video. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth.